Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. Stock number is A7273. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, those tires are brand new. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. You have the Sahara stitching there, as you can see. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You have a full-size spare tire on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, four-wheel drive, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sahara on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.